Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MongoDB Atlas for analytics-ready collections, complete guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by signing in to your MongoDB Atlas account. Once logged in, navigate to your project dashboard. Select the project where you want to activate analytics-ready collections. In the left sidebar, click on the Database Deployments option. Locate your cluster within the Deployments section. Click on the Collections button for the specific cluster. You will be directed to the Collections view. Choose the database that contains the collection you want to prepare. Click on the collection you want to activate for analytics. In the Collection view, look for the Settings tab. Click on the Settings tab to access the configuration options. Under the Options section, find the checkbox for Analytics Ready. Enable the Analytics Ready option. Review the information provided on the impact of enabling this feature. Once you have confirmed, click on the Save Changes button. After saving, the system will begin the process of transforming your collection. You will receive a notification once the transformation is complete. Check the status on the Collections page to ensure it's activated. Now your collection is ready for analytics. Feel free to explore additional resources for optimizing your analytics setup. This concludes the steps to activate MongoDB Atlas for analytics-ready collections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.